Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am making a powerful hair spray with fenugreek and clove. I don't need an introduction for these two ingredients because these two ingredients are very powerful. And also I want to say I'm so sorry for not posting consistently these days. I've actually not been stable. Yes, I've not been stable like that. I'm so sorry. Like, I'm deeply sorry. Like, this life is lifey. So we all know that clove and what's it called, clove and fenugreek, like, it does not need an introduction. You see, you want to grow your hair long and thick, add more of clove. You don't want your hair to be breaking, add fenugreek. Now the reason why I'm combining these two ingredients is because that if you use a lot of clove, it can break your hair, but the fenugreek there will not, like, it will not let the clove to break your hair. If I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Now fenugreek, it prevents breakage, hair shedding and hair loss. As well, it is good to grow your hair. But you see, clove as well, it is good to grow your hair as well. But if you use too much, it can actually break your hair, if you get what I'm trying to say. Now the next thing is to add water. I added what's it called, room temperature water. See the way I'm yawning. Oh my god. So like I do say in my videos, you don't have to add one bailer. don't go and add don't go and add one bailer or one bucket of water to your hair. Now you can, after this, just soak it and just leave it for 24 hours. You can use this, when I say spray, that means you can spray it to your hair every day or every 2 days or every 3 days. Sure, you understand? And some people, you might just use it as a rinse. That means when you, what's it called, when you wash your hair, you can just use it to rinse your hair, and that is all. Sure, you get. Now this is the result. Fenugreek, it swells a lot, so you just only need to share, you get. So I needed to transfer it to another bigger container, then add a bit of water to it to give it this. Now I could not find the other attachment for this video. So after this process, the next thing is to sieve. Share, you get. You sieve with your scarf. If you don't have, you can use a wig cap. So I'm so sorry that I could not find the latter attachment of this. So this is how you sieve. You remove, I'm just using this video, you remove the residue from what you actually need. Sure, you get. So that is just it. This video is not long. Thank you so much for watching. I want to see you in my next video. Please, if you've not subscribed, please, I'm begging you to subscribe and also like and share. So that is how to actually save. Thank you.